What if flying from New York to London didn't take 7 hours, but just 3.5? Sounds like science fiction. But one company is trying to bring supersonic travel back, and their experimental jet has already been making history. The world has flown faster before. Remember Concorde? It crossed the Atlantic at more than twice the speed of sound. But it was expensive, noisy, and eventually disappeared from the skies. For more than 2 decades, commercial supersonic travel has basically been grounded. Enter Boom Supersonic. The company's mission is simple. Well, simple to say anyway. Build a new generation of commercial aircraft that can fly faster than sound. Their experimental aircraft, called XB-1, is designed to prove that modern technology can make supersonic flight possible again. And this is where things get exciting. The XB-1 demonstrated supersonic performance, crossing the sound barrier and proving that Boom's technology isn't just a fancy computer animation. At supersonic speeds, the aircraft faces brutal challenges: extreme heat, massive aerodynamic forces, and the famous sonic boom. Basically, the airplane is arguing with physics, and physics is not easy to impress. If Boom succeeds with its future commercial aircraft, flights could become dramatically faster. Imagine breakfast in New York, lunch in London, and still complaining about airport security. The goal isn't just speed. The real challenge is making supersonic travel practical, efficient, economically viable, and eventually accessible to more travelers. But let's be realistic. This isn't easy. Supersonic aircraft have to deal with fuel consumption, noise regulations, operating costs, and environmental concerns. Building a fast airplane is hard. Building one that airlines can actually afford to operate? That's the real boss battle. Still, the return of supersonic flight could change how we think about distance forever. In the future, crossing oceans might feel less like a full-day journey and more like a long commute. Would you fly supersonic if you had the chance? Subscribe for more technology that looks like science fiction but is becoming reality.